Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Cloudflare to secure website UI performance, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize with Cloudflare, begin by creating an account. Visit the Cloudflare website and click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Check your email for a confirmation link from Cloudflare. Click the link to verify your email address. Log in to your new Cloudflare account. Once logged in, you will be prompted to add a site. Enter the domain name of your website. Select a plan that suits your needs, starting with the free option. Click on the Add Site button to proceed. Cloudflare will begin scanning your DNS records. This process can take a few moments. Once the scan is complete, review your DNS records. Make sure all your necessary records are included. You can add, edit, or remove any records as needed. After verifying your DNS settings, click on Continue. Next, you will be directed to change your domain's name servers. Cloudflare will provide you with 2 name server addresses. Log in to your domain registrar's website. Find the section for managing your domain's DNS settings. Replace the existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save your changes and allow time for the update to propagate. This process may take up to 24 hours. After the name servers are updated, return to your Cloudflare dashboard. You should see a message indicating that your site is active on Cloudflare. Now, it's time to configure performance settings. Navigate to the Speed tab in your Cloudflare dashboard. Enable the Auto Minify feature to optimize your CSS, HTML, and JavaScript files. Turn on the Rocket Loader feature for asynchronous loading of JavaScript. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.